Hey, it's Ben, the Coin Geek, and today I wanted to take a closer look at some Mint State 62 $20 gold pieces. And one of the things that I just wanted to talk about was how when you look at coins that are of the same grade, that they're going to look very different, one coin from the next. And so anytime you get a group of coins together that are the same grade, you're going to notice that there's one that you really like and one that you don't like as much. So this is a little bit like when you go to the optometrist and they say, one or two, two or three, and they try to tell you which one you like better. So if you went through these and kind of looked at them, which one would you like better? So on these two pieces, which are both dated 1904, in fact, I think all four pieces I have here are dated 1904. That's a pretty common date for the gold. You'll see right away that the one on the left has a little bit more of a proof-like field, is very lustrous, but it has a lot of chatter up in the field. Just a lot of chatter. Look at all that throughout the entire surface of the coin. Up on both sides of the coin, you can see just a lot of marks. And then the other one that we were looking at, you'll see that the fields are really pretty clean. And some of that scraping right there is actually on the plastic. See, this is another thing just to point out. When you're looking at a coin and you want to tell if the scrapes on the coin or the plastic, if you kind of tilt it, you can see how the scrape lines move. That means they're on the plastic. Or if they have a shadow, they're on the plastic. So that coin was much nicer than the first one. And then maybe you pick up these two and you look at them, and the color on this one is really lovely. I love the orange look. That's a really nice look. And really super lustrous. Has very few contact marks on either side. And I would say that this third one that we picked up is nicer than the second. They're both very nice coins. And then we'll go pick up another one and take a look at it and see. The fields are pretty clean. There's a lot of chatter on the back side of this coin, behind the head. And the cheek has quite a bit of chatter to it. Of course, there are more than one side to a coin, so you do want to look at both sides and see which one you like better. So it's not an exact science. Grading is not a science. It is an art form. And then if you're looking to buy a coin, you got to decide if you mind having maybe certain problems on the coin. So this one I still think overall is the nicest, but it appears to be at least a grade higher. But if you look close, you'll see it actually has kind of like a little scrape down there above the date, going through the hairline and coming out into the field. Now, if you think that's going to bother you the rest of your life, then you don't buy the coin. But overall, the rest of this coin is much higher grade than the other ones. It doesn't have all that chatter, but it does still have that little scrape mark on it. So the takeaway here is that coins with the same grade all look different, and take your time when you're collecting to be picky and see which ones you like, because you should enjoy the coins that you own and have in your collection. Thanks for watching. This has been the Coin Geek. You can follow me here on YouTube and on Instagram. Thanks.